friends, welcome to Daily Sourdough. Today I have a really fun discard recipe for you. It's called Impossible Pie. It's a berry cobbler made with sourdough discard, and it's so easy it seems impossible. To begin, scramble 3 raw eggs into a bowl. These are fresh eggs straight from my chicken coop. So just with a fork or a whisk up 3 eggs. Then to that, add 1½ cups of your sourdough discard. And it can be straight out of the refrigerator. It does not need to be fed, so either fed or unfed. Pour that into your bowl. Then add a pinch of salt. And mix that up thoroughly until the eggs and the sourdough starter are incorporated. Now fill a pie dish or casserole dish or ramekins with a mixture of berries. And I have blackberries and raspberries today. Just arrange them in your dish. Now to sweeten a little bit, I have a raspberry syrup that I made, and I thought this would be really good on it. So I'm just going to spoon some of this raspberry syrup over the berries, and this will make a pie filling or a cobbler filling. Just sweeten the berries a little bit, or you don't have to sweeten your berries, you can just leave it as is. Then on top of that berry mixture, pour your sourdough and eggs directly over the top. And what this is going to do is the sourdough and egg mixture is going to magically rise to the top and create a crust while keeping the berry mixture nice and moist inside. And then just to make it extra pretty, I'm going to sprinkle the top with a little bit of sugar. It'll give it a little bit of a shine to it. You don't have to do this, but just makes it a little bit sparkly on top. Now, pop it in the oven at 350 degrees and bake it for roughly 25 minutes, depending on if it's in a ramekin or a pie dish or a casserole dish. You might have to adjust the time that you bake it a little bit. So just watch it, and then when it feels done, when it's a little bit crusty on the top, you'll know it's finished. Well, my Impossible Pie actually took 40 minutes to cook, and I think it's because it's kind of a deep dish, but here it is. The sourdough and eggs rose to the top, forming a nice crust and keeping the filling nice and moist. So let's dig in. So this is actually very much like a cobbler with that nice gooey filling. It makes a very pretty dessert. It takes very little time to make. Let's give it a try. It's gonna be hot. It's good. It's a fun little cobbler made with your sourdough starter, and it's really tasty too. Give it a try and then let me know how you like it, and be sure and stay tuned for more recipes on Daily Sourdough. Very good. Fruity and delicious.